Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass GoTranscript MCQs test and audio test as well. So first of all, you must read Go transcription guideline rules. These guideline rules is very important. You must read all these guidelines all the way to the end 1 to 2 times. This will help you during the audio test exam as well. So, after reading this transcription guideline, you easily pass GoTranscript MCQ test as well as audio test. This clean verbatim section is very important. This will help you a lot in audio test. So make sure you must read all these transcription guidelines before starting test. So after reading this transcription guideline, let's start MCQ test first. Here is to apply for transcriber position, you must complete quiz 100% correct using our guidelines. Each question can have one or more correct answer. First question is, how should we transcribe and punctuate filler words in full verbatim? There is 4 different options and correct option is option D. If option D is the correct option of first question. If you have any doubt related to this question, you simply read transcription guideline to get the answer of this question. In full verbatim, if you read this filler word, so these are filler word. So in full verbatim, this is the correct answer. Second question is, if you cannot hear the specific term, you should. There is 2 different option and correct option is do some research. If you cannot find anything, mark that is unaudible or unreachable with the specified time. So this is the correct option. Next question is, what is the rule about this small bracket in Go transcription guideline? If we check in transcription guideline, so here is never use this small bracket instead of this brackets. So this should never be used for the timestamping. For instance, this bracket is the correct form of timestamping and this is not. So that's why this option is correct according to the transcription guideline rules. Next question is full verbatim starters. Why is this? There is 4 different option and correct option is option C. If you have any doubt related to this question, you simply read transcription guideline in and read full verbatim section. Fifth question is, if there is a sound of a laughter made not by the speaker but other people, should if it all it be included in the transcription full verbatim? So here is 6 different option and correct option is option C. It should always be written on the separate line and in the format of this laughter tag in smaller letter. If you have any doubt, you simply check in transcription guidelines and here is this is the laughter tag written in small letter. So that's why option C is the correct option of fifth question. Sixth question is, sound made not by the person speaking are always. Sound made not by the. Simply check in transcription guidelines. Sound 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 not made by the person speaking are always on the separate line. So that's why on the different line is the correct option of sixth question. Seventh question is how should you transcribe a spell word? There is four different option and correct option is first option is the correct option. It is transcription and then spell a word using dash word. So this is the correct option of seventh question. If you have any doubt to this question, you simply check transcription guideline related to the spell word. If a speaker spell a word, name, my name is Anna, then spell in this way using dash between the character. So that's why this option is correct option. Eighth question is the correct form of affirmation for full verb idiom is or. There is three different option and correct option is option B. Option B is the correct option of eighth question. If you have any doubt, you simply read full verb idiom section in transcription guideline and you get the answer of this question why this option is correct. Ninth question is I feel dash. There is three different option and correct option is option A and option C. A and C both are correct option of ninth question. 10th and last question is what do you have to do when a person agrees on something by saying yep or okay in clean or BTM. So there is two different option and correct option is option B is the correct option. So after all, you simply need to click on confirm and you move to the next page of GoTranscript audio test.
This audio is used for the transcriber test.
Before starting audio test, make sure you must read GoTranscription guideline rules. These guideline rules are very important. You must read all these guidelines all the way to the end. This will help you during the audio testing. Without reading this transcription guideline, you never pass GoTranscript audio test. So I already transcribe audio into test form. You simply need to apply transcription guideline before submitting the audio test. So let's start the audio test.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Hey, have you ever heard of a guy named Max Weber? No, I don't mean the actor on Alf. That was Max Wright. No, the one I'm thinking of is Maximilian Karl Emil Weber, the German sociologist, philosopher, and political economist. He was a big proponent of the so-called, Protestant work ethic, and wrote a book about it subtitled The Spirit of Capitalism in German. In 1930, Talcott Parsons translated that book into English as well. When I saw this book for the first time, I was like, wow, it's brilliant. His ideas had a significant influence on social theory, social research, and the discipline of sociology. Now, you might think it's possible to observe Weber's cited words together with the names of Emil Durkheim and Karl Marx, since they were the three leading creators of sociology. However, like Moe, Larry, and Curly Joe, Max, Emil, and Karl had, many differences as well as, similarities. Emil was mainly concerned about GoTranscript's processes of rationalization, secularization, and disenchantment, which he related to the rise of capitalism and modernity, and which he saw as the result of a new way of thinking.
Max, on the other hand, Max emphasized the importance of cultural influences embedded in religion as a means for understanding the essence of capitalism. He was also the first to categorize social authority into separate forms, which he named as charismatic, traditional, and rational evil. His analysis of bureaucracy emphasized the modern state institutions' focus on, rational legal authority. Our boy Max also made many other contributions to economic history, economic theory, and methodology. Unfortunately, he was infected by the whole concept of German idealism, which, as we know, didn't lead to very human-friendly things later in the century, and not just it. Frankly, his longing for ageracia became so severe that he started to mix different ointments before applying them. And it all sounds a lot like the Church of the Subgenius to me. Eris, the goddess of chaos, probably enjoyed reading his stuff. And, her sister Eris was probably the more dangerous of the two, given her propensity for law and order. Your local GoTranscript offices may have a copy of one of the more ergodic works of literature about the whole situation.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
So friend, this is the audio test for today. I hope this video is helpful for you. Before submitting this audio test, make sure you apply all Go transcription guideline rules. I hope this video is very helpful for you. So friend, this is the video for today. I hope you like it and see you in the next video.